For over 30 years, ShapeMaster has been your trusted manufacturing partner for vacuum forming, CNC machining, fabrication, and more. The CNC milling process is built around the excellent programming of our design engineers. The process of milling modifies a variety of materials in several ways, such as cutting, drilling, and slotting. In this example, our Haas VF4 mill will be using a foundry board to create a tool. This tool will then be used in the vacuum forming process to produce the required part. Foundry boards are typically used due to the high deflection temperature and ability to hold clean, crisp machine details. This material also allows for ease of polishing, a high gloss luster with our clear formed parts. As you can see, the current program running is causing the mill to make rapid changes to the form of the tool. The foundry board will be drilled to create the required vacuum airflow holes. The holes are sized to allow air to flow from this chamber, but not too large to allow damage to the material or divots to form later in the vacuum process. There are a multitude of materials that can be milled to suit specific needs. Aluminum, for example, can be milled and utilized in medical testing equipment, automotive part guards, and OEM equipment. Plastics can be milled for silicon wafer dippers, parts for water purification equipment, and electronics devices. For more information on our products or services, visit shape-master.com.